It's pastiera season, which means we need to have grano ready to make pastiera, which is the most important part of the whole thing. Now, it can be very difficult to find jarred, like pre-cooked, the way you normally would find it all over Italy. So I'm going to show you how to make it from dry. It's very simple. All you do is you take some soft white wheat berries and you soak them in cold water overnight. After that, you're going to drain them and you're going to rinse them well. And then you're going to put these in a pot with a pinch of water and you're going to let them these boil and simmer for like 4 hours. And you're going to need to add more hot water as needed because it's going to evaporate and you want to make sure they're always submerged. Now, these is something that you usually buy already pre-made, like I said, in a jar or in a can all over Italy, but they're very difficult to find here. And when you do find them, they're so expensive per jar. So I figured I'm just going to make my own, and I've been making my own for a few years now. These are the white wheat berries that I use, which I will leave linked down below. And once they're cooked for 4 hours, you let them drain, you cool them pretty much completely, and this is the part that you cannot skip. You gotta pop them into a food processor. I got a really close up look here because I wanted you to see the texture. You're gonna pop them into your food processor and you're going to pulse them until they are really well broken down. You don't want a puree, but you want almost like a paste like mixture, so it's gonna have a little bit of the chunkiness, but it'll be really tender. If you don't do this and you skip this step, then the grano in your pastiera is very chewy, it's very tough, and it's never going to melt in your mouth like it should. Now, I cook 1 cup at a time, and it gives me enough to make about 2 pastiera with a little bit of leftover, and they are perfect. I will leave the wheat berries that I used down below, as well as the link to my pastiera recipe, which will be coming tomorrow. I will share a video on that tomorrow, but I hope this helps.